Pollution of air and water. Learning about pollution of air and water. Water pollution. You know that water is a very precious resource. Think about the various activities in which we need water. But water is becoming scarce due to increase in population, industries, and agricultural activities. Water also becomes dirty after we use it for washing clothes, bathing, etc. Whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc. get mixed with water, the water becomes polluted. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutant. Case study. Ganga is one of the most famous rivers of India. However, recently a study found that Ganga is one of the 10 most polluted rivers in the world. The towns and cities through which the river flows throw large quantities of garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies and many other harmful things directly into the river. An ambitious plan to save the river called the Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985. It aimed to reduce the pollution levels in the river. However, the increasing population and industrialization have already damaged this mighty river beyond repair. The Ganga at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh has one of the most polluted stretches of the river.
People can be seen bathing, washing clothes,
and defecating in the river. They also throw garbage, flowers, idols of gods and goddesses, and non-biodegradable polythene bags into the river. Many industries discharge harmful chemicals into rivers and streams, causing the pollution of water. Examples are oil refineries, paper factories, sugar mills, and chemical factories. These industries result in the chemical contamination of water. The chemicals released include arsenic, lead, and fluorides, which lead to toxicity in plants and animals. Industries are supposed to treat the waste produced before discharging it into waters, but quite often the rules are not followed. You know that pesticides and other such chemicals are important for the protection of crops. However, all these chemicals dissolve in water and are washed into water bodies from the fields. They also seep into the ground to pollute groundwater. The excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields act as nutrients for algae to flourish. Once these algae die, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. A lot of oxygen in the water body gets used up. This results in a decrease in the oxygen level, which may kill aquatic organisms. Sometimes untreated sewage is thrown directly into rivers. It contains food waste, detergents, microorganisms, etc. Water contaminated with sewage may contain bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, which cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. The bacteria present in the fecus of mammals are indicators of the quality of water. Hot water that is usually released from power plants and industries raises the temperature of the water body, adversely affecting the animals and plants living in it. Many times we drink water which looks clear and does not smell, but still we fall sick. This is because water that looks clean may still have disease-carrying microorganisms and dissolve impurities. So it is essential to purify water before drinking, for example by boiling. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. Municipal bodies are required to treat the water before supplying it to the households. Did you know that 25% of the world's population is without safe drinking water? Let us see how water can be made safe for drinking. Filtering is a physical method of removing impurities. A popular household filter is a candle-type filter. Many households use boiling as a method of obtaining safe drinking water. Boiling kills the germs present in the water. Chlorination is a commonly used chemical method for purifying water. It is done by adding chlorine tablets or bleaching powder to the water. We must be cautious. We should not use more chlorine tablets than specified. Laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented so that polluted water is not disposed of directly into rivers and lakes. Water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial areas. At our individual levels, we should consciously save water and not waste it. We must follow the policy of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Pollution is affecting the quality of our daily lives. Unless we all realize our responsibility and start using environment-friendly processes, the very survival of our planet is in danger. Summary: water pollution is the contamination of water by substances harmful to life. Sewage, agricultural chemicals, and industrial waste are some of the major contaminants of water. Water which is purified and fit for drinking is known as potable water. Water is a precious natural resource. We must learn to conserve it. That is all in this lesson. Keep the environment clean and green. Keep learning.